Nestled in the bustling heat of Charlotte, North Carolina, amidst the serene backdrop of Firefly Fields, stands a remarkable testament to inventive living. A shipping container home that redefines cozy and affordable living space. Given its unique blend of practicality, aesthetics, and eco-friendliness, this tiny 40-foot shipping container house, constructed for under $50,000, showcases the art of minimalistic living without sacrificing comfort or style. Walking through the main door, the home reveals a classic layout optimized for comfort and utility. The bright and spacious kitchen immediately catches the eye, boasting ample counter space adorned with white tops, featuring gray veining, ample storage cabinets, stainless steel appliances, breakfast bar for two, and a large horizontal slit window that brightens up the sink space. Adjacent to the kitchen is a cozy living room that invites relaxation. It features a comfortable couch, a projector set up for evening entertainment. The bedroom area maintains the feeling of openness and lightness, with a queen bed tucked cozily in one corner, surrounded by windows dressed in unique, easy-to-use shades. Beyond the bedroom, the bathroom surprises with innovative solutions like an incinerating toilet, addressing the logistics of off-grid living, a fully tiled standing shower, a vanity, and a large mirror. An outdoor bathtub area accessible via the bathroom adds a touch of luxury and relaxation, making it a perfect spot to unwind under the stars. Upon arrival, the first thing you notice is the vibrant green exterior, coupled with a welcoming array of windows and a spacious deck. The approach to the home is as inviting as the interior, with a clever use of cement blocks and stones enhancing the pathway, leading to a quaint front patio adorned with thoughtful seating arrangements and protective overhangs. The designers cleverly modified the structure of this container, incorporating an outdoor bathtub experience that complements the home's compact efficiency. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible on the exterior, which brings out the industrial charm of the design. This under 50,000 shipping container home is listed as a guest house on Airbnb. Feel free to check it out using the link in the description below. Which part of this amazing container tiny home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.